This is good slime. Woo!
Later.
Okay, so I found this green plastic spoon and I'm just going to go in and mix the green paint into my glue. I've actually got one about this colour, so I'm actually going to make it quite dark. And I have got a lot of paint, so... Oh, got a bit on my finger. So, right now I'm just keep on mixing this paint into the glue. I do like quite dark colours, but I also like bright colours. So, this is about the colour, it's okay. I'm just going to go in and add one more part because a lot of white glue is at the bottom. So I'm just going to mix it up from there. Alright, that's good. So now, what we're going to go in, if you want glitter or beads, I'm just going to put a bit of glitter in. That's it. I don't really want much. I have got a lot of glue here, so I need quite a bit of glitter to be seen. That's okay. And then, if you want, I do have some plastic beads, but I'm not really going to use them. I use them in here. As you see, they're just pearl beads. You can add whatever you want, really. Any slime ingredients. So I'm just going to make a basic slime today. I don't think I'm going to use shaving foam because that's running out. By the way, guys, if you don't have shaving foam but you have shaving gel, it works exactly the same. It works fine. Right, here I'm just going to go and add a bit at a time. So the key thing is, when you're adding activator, you don't want to just go and dump loads in. Because one, that could overactivate, and two, you want to add a little bit at a time. See here, you can see that it's kind of thickening up. And the consistency that you want is where it's actually coming off the bowl. That there was a bit too much, but it should do okay. Should be fine. Guys, what you want is when it's coming off the bowl, then you don't want to just keep mixing with the spoon. You want to actually start kneading it with your hands. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep on doing this, and then yeah. So you guys make sure that you don't just quickly go like this, because that won't help it. It will just, you want to actually like kind of knead it with your spoon, and because okay, so guys, now it is time-lapse time.
Six and a half hours later.
Okay guys, so I'm nearly finished with this. I'm going to go kneading in a second. But the thing is, you guys, this is not the only activator you can get. You can actually get contact lens solution, borax, but I know it's quite hard to find both. But I know you can order it. You can use either, but I just got this because it was in WH Smith's and I could find it. But I know you can use other activators. This one isn't the strongest activator. It took quite a lot. I got this a few days ago and it's nearly run out already. Because I had to fix two slimes. No, I had to fix one slime and then I'm just making this and that's it. And now it's nearly finished already. So you can use this, but it's not the strongest activator. I'm just going to go in and knead now. The thing is, if you're kneading it, you can let it stick to your hands because it will. Don't think, oh, it's on my hands, I can't knead yet, because that will happen. I'm just going to go in and add a bit more activator. About like maybe 2 more bits. And then you guys want to, the key thing is just add it slowly. And when you're activating, it will get a bit stringy, like this. But yeah, it will get stringy, but if you just keep playing with it and kneading it, then it will go back to a nice slime consistency. See here, it's thickening up a lot. So it's not exactly coming off the bowl yet, but it's coming off quite a bit. At the bottom's not really activated yet, so I'm going to dump it out. And then you guys want to just, once you've done, you can just play with it like this. See, this is a nice jig. It's kind of jiggly, but it's not exactly done yet. So I'm just gonna. So there are a few ways you can play with slime. You can pick it up and just play it like this. You can also do an Instagram swirl. I'm gonna do an Instagram swirl. Oh, it didn't work. Okay, so just going to keep swirling. This slime is a bit sticky and thick for an Instagram swirl. It's too thick, but there's my swirl. And then you can also do clickness. This isn't very clicky, to be honest. It's like, there's also, you can do a bubble. I'm going to do a bubble. It's a bit stringy for a bubble. Yeah. Another way of doing a bubble is you can do this, and then you can just let it drip down and then squeeze it, and you can hear it. This is kind of still stringy, so I think I'm going to go in and add some shaving foam. This shaving foam is so nearly finished. That's really hard to get out. Okay. It's going to make the colour a bit lighter, so that's good. Because it's really dark, but I don't need it. And then it's actually making it really soft now, so that's good. You guys, I might, if I get some more subscribers or some more likes, then I'm going to start doing some slime giveaways or just some giveaways. And if you guys want to enter, then yeah. So as long as I just need some more subscribers and I can do some slime giveaways. So be the lucky people and make sure you subscribe and leave a like and hit that notification bell on. Yeah. This slime is done. It's really nice now. It's a bit like, it's still really, it's like really drippy, if you get it what I mean. Like, you have to be quick to do an Instagram swirl. It's really sticky as well, but it's actually nice. I like it. So you guys can also, if you want to, with this, if you make slime, after you've activated it, you can actually just add some charms or something. Or you can actually add, if you get some clay, but I know some clay doesn't work, and some clay actually like unactivates your slime and makes it all runny again. But the clay you want, I always use Model Magic clay because it's like modelling clay and it's actually really nice, and it makes it butter slime, so that would be nice. This is now fluffy slime, and you can also make crunchy slime if you add loads of, like this is crunchy slime, if you add loads of foam beads, and then foam beads or pearl beads or like clay, not clay, sorry, or like plastic beads, just any, so when you like squeeze it, it'll go all crunchy. And another thing you can do is, instead of paint, you don't actually need paint, you can just use food dye. If this helped you making slime, and I hope it does, then I hope you enjoyed this. And if this helped, then I'm happy to help. You guys, my next video is going to be great. Comment down below if this helped you. And thank you for watching.